Discover the latest technologies shaping the future of mechanical engineering. 3D printing is revolutionizing production with cost-effective, customized components. 3D printing is revolutionizing production with cost-effective, customized components. IoT technology is enhancing predictive maintenance and operational efficiency in mechanical systems. Innovations in materials science are leading to lighter, stronger, and more sustainable products. Digital twins allow engineers to simulate and optimize designs before physical production.